Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So in today's video, did anybody watch Tati a few weeks ago about her TikTok QVC-esque live 8-hour show? Well, I did. I almost watched the whole friggin' thing, and thank God it was quick. And in the beginning, I didn't know what was going on, so I only grabbed a handful of things. So that is what we're going to be doing today. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You could ring the bell; it would give you notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday. So like, make comments, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support, and thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now, without further ado, let's get started. Again, let me go backwards. Thank God I didn't figure out. What do you mean? Like, oh, that means it's only 50% off in the 10 minutes that it was a flash sale, whatever it was. Then I figured it out. But thank God it was long into it. I didn't buy too much. Let's just start off with this beautiful face palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is the Italian Summer Face Palette. It looks so beautiful. They had a few. I think they had 3 different palettes. I got the Italian Summer. Number one, I'm Italian girl. Of course I'm going to get the Italian Summer. But what I really liked about this one in particular is that I think I like the highlighter, because the other ones were a little bit too dark. So let me just open it up for you. Ooh, that is gorgeous packaging. You know I'm a sucker. That is gorgeous. I'm not crazy about the feel, because it's a little gritty. But we're not going to talk about that. But the packaging is gorgeous. Yeah, it is so beautiful. Look how gorgeous that is. I don't know if these lights does it justice. No, I am not going to touch it. I don't want to swatch it. I'm just sharing with you right now. But we definitely will use these products. Ooh, that is so beautiful. In the beginning, I was like, oh, don't do it. Like, how many things do you have? But, the fingers, clickety, they just went on their own. It wasn't me. It was this. The next product I picked up, girl, I have gray hair. I am 56 years old, but I will tell you, I have had gray hair since I was about like 15 years old. My mother was like all white by the time she was like 18, 19, 20, so it runs in the family. Thanks, Mom. But anyway, I will try any kind of root touch-up, gray cover-up of sorts. So I'm going to try this one. This is the Style Edit Root Cover-Up Cream to Powder Stick for detailed application. I don't think I've ever used a stick. I have like the spray. I also have like the Boldify that I showed in another video. It's got like a little cushiony ball that you just pat. I love my Color Wow, which I adore. That's more of like a brush. It's like a I don't want to say it's not a makeup brush. It's like a brush. Like one side is really dense and the other side is pretty fluffy, if you will, so you can get into your roots, which I absolutely love that. But this one I've never tried in a stick form. So what it does, this waxless, that's tough, waxless stick provides instant targeted coverage to unwanted gray regrowth. And it's true, because sometimes, like, I just had my hair done, by the way. Most of the time, not sometimes, all of the time, it's like all around the edges. All around. Why in the front of the face? Why couldn't it be back here? Gosh! But anyway, so it's nice to get something like more precise, if you will. Anyway, so let's see. So it leaves the hair smooth, soft, and shiny. Perfect for the hairline, sideburns, or brows. I never thought of that. Interesting. Shampoo's out, no drying time, not sticky or waxy. Long wear, cream to powder formula instantly glides over hair to effectively cover regrowth. Now let me tell you something. No matter who, I don't care which brand, and all the brands that I mentioned, when they say like it's waterproof and doesn't, the minute you do this, like you rub, girl, it comes off. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't like, you have to really wash it out, but if I like scratch my hair, it's going to be under my fingernails, so it does move around. But this is interesting. So this is what it looks like right over here. Why I'm going to smell it, I don't know, but I'm going to. Oh my God, it's like a legit crayon. Look at that. This we can swatch. Okay. So there you go. That's what it looks like. Perfect for my hair. I was going to go, which one did I get, by the way? Is this dark? Yeah, dark brown. Because a medium brown, I'm trying to go darker with my hair. Not darker, like I usually have highlights in the summertime. And I started coloring it years ago to like a more of like a chestnut brown, but I'm trying to get back to like my natural hair color. I mean, my hair originally is black. It is like really dark. So this right now, my hairstylists are really happy with it. It's more of a cool brown and not like a warm brown. That's why I grabbed like the dark brown, because I think the medium brown looked a little bit too warm. I'm so super excited to try this. And then this is, what is this? What did I get? Oh, this is the In Beauty Project Bright and Tight Eye Cream. I've picked up so many eye creams. What are you going to do, girl? This visibly improves dark circles and wrinkles, instantly brightened, infused with vitamin C, tranexamic acid, and peptides. I grabbed this because, you know, she had a whole hour. I think she had a whole hour on everything, but like when I was grabbing it, girl, she was talking about In Beauty so much and all these products, never heard of them, but I figured I want to try something. So I'm going to try this. Let me see. Oh, it's a cutie little pump. Let's see. Let me just pump this. Oh, it's pearly. It smells like nothing. Can you see that? Look, I didn't even put it. I'm going to move it over. It's right over there. It's got like a little peachy. This looks so pretty. It smells like nothing. Wow, this looks gorgeous. I mean, it's an eye cream for crying out tears. But look how beautiful that leaves. A nice little glisten. It looks really, really hydrating. Oh, that looks, and it feels amazing. Oh, I think I'm going to like this. Oh, I'm so excited. And then last but not least, I don't know what the hell got. Oh, no, I lied. And then second to last product, I love Sigma Beauty. If you guys have not tried any kind of Sigma Beauty products, that was a mouthful, it's a must. It is a must. I have so many of their eyeshadows, blushes, bronzers, so great. I love the Cor de Rosa eyeshadow palette that I have, and I think I have something else from them, which I cannot remember. But I just picked up the cream blush. This is in Cor de Rosa. It's beautiful. By the way, I do have a discount code for Sigma down below, and I think it's a 10% discount. It's down below. I think it's a 10% discount for you guys. Just an FYI, anytime you use any of my links below or product codes, you know, I get a little bit of a commission, which helps my channel. So if you want to use it, that'd be great. I would really appreciate the help. Wow. Look at that packaging. That is so stinking pretty. Let's look at this. That's gorgeous. And here's the sad thing. I just did a video on my cream and liquid blushes, not knowing that this was coming. That's beautiful. I could have sworn I ordered 2 of them. I'm not really sure. But anyway, this is so beautiful. Nope, I'm not going to swatch it. You're going to have to watch my other videos. Moving forward to swatch and test these out. And then last but not least, I'm going to leave a picture of them right over here. I got the Galactic lip balms. They haven't come yet for some reason. First they said that it was like, you know, preparing to order, and then they said it was delayed, and then they said, you know, if you don't get it by this date, they're going to cancel the order. I'm like, wait, what? Yep. So let me just see real quick. I know they're shipped, and estimated delivery date, so probably in about a day or 2. So let me just read up on what they are. So these are the Galactic Beauty Jelly Gloss Bombs. Girl, she could not stop talking to them. Again, now that I'm thinking about it, my memory's coming back. I think she did, I want to say like she did almost an hour on each brand, because I remember she kept talking about In Beauty. I'm like, girl, move on, because I don't know who they are. And then I remember Galactic. Yeah, anyway, they're called Jelly Gloss Bombs. They are so friggin' popular, and I think by the time like I clicked, they were mostly sold out. So I got the Barely Nude and the Bella that Tati was wearing when she was talking about it. So that should be coming in a couple of days. So I'm just waiting for that. And then last but not least, girl, I don't think this was part of her thing. I just saw it all over TikTok, and I picked up this dress. It was all over TikTok. Now here's the thing, girl. I'm a dress wearer. I love to wear dresses in the summer. Barely will you find me with like pants on. That doesn't sound right, but like with dresses. But I will tell you, like since COVID, we went through this in a couple of videos ago, like COVID, menopause, beep papa boom boom pat. My light just went out, so if the light changed, that's what happened. I gained a lot of weight. Especially like, it's not even like COVID, because we're already in 2024, but it's like the menopause, like tire around your belt. Like I've never had that. So like all the dresses, and I have tons. If I could say I probably have 100 dresses, I would not be like fibbing. None of them fit me. Most of them don't fit me. So I've been just wearing like pants this summer, which, you know, it's not my cup of tea, but I saw this all over TikTok. I figured, let me just try it. If I have the audacity, I will put in a picture I'm not sure yet. I'm not really comfortable. Like, it has to hit me like at the knee. If it's above the knee, I'm not really an above the knee kind of girl, so I'm not really sure if I'm going to post the picture of myself. But this is the dress that I bought. I don't even know. I may even return it. I didn't even try it on yet. But anyway, so that is it. These are some of my TikTok pics that you made me buy. You made me buy them. So that is it, guys. This is my video. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. And as always, you guys, be good to each other, love each other, and have a great day. Bye.